To round out our understanding of value and value propositions, the value statement that we bring to the marketplace, and our own business as entrepreneurs and as your students then progress to this level, we want to introduce a couple of the basic systems of financial literacy and accounting. This is a more advanced subject matter, and depending upon the amount of time and the availability of that time to your students, you may or may not be able to get to this in first setting. You may have to schedule more opportunities or more time down the road. But it's important for our students to get a grasp of basic systems of budgeting and accountancy as they move forward. There are a number of examples that are given within the marketplace literacy materials. I encourage you to look at those and reference the ones that you think will be most valuable to your students and emphasize those as time does allow for you. Basic accountancy is also something that's very, very important. Many times our students may not understand the need for cash flow management. They may not understand the need for not carrying large inventories of product if at all necessary. If we can prevent that, that's a very good thing. And some of those very, very influential business tactics that we can use as a more advanced entrepreneur, as someone who's been in business for a while, they may not be aware of those thinkings or those fundamental aspects. So I encourage you to take baby steps here. Let the information flow as your students can receive it, but have them practice some of the exercises that are available to them in the marketplace literacy material. There are several good examples there about building a cost basis for a product, adding that up and looking how many production models I can make for a given amount of money that I have. All of those things are going to be important, and again, I encourage you to utilize them fully, but gauge them as to the sophistication of your student that you have, their ability to understand them at a base level. And again, hopefully you have students that have basic numeracy capacity where they can, again, understand these concepts and apply them wisely. Well, that concludes our work now on the basic modules and the elements that are contained in there. I'll have a final summary for you here in just a moment.